Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini. To begin, simply open your web browser or the dedicated mobile application. You will then log in using your existing Google account, which ensures a personalized experience and access to all features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user-friendly interface. It's designed for intuitive interaction. Understanding the layout is the first crucial step. Once you are familiar with the interface, the next step is crafting effective prompts. Always be clear and specific in your requests to Gemini, providing as much detail as possible. Including context and examples can significantly improve the quality of the generated responses. Don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasing and keywords. This iterative process helps refine the outputs to perfectly match your needs. Calcium citrate malate, while often pricier, offers distinct advantages. It contains about 21% elemental calcium by weight. A key benefit is that it does not require stomach acid for absorption, making it a good option for those with lower stomach acidity or who take acid-reducing medications. You can take it anytime, with or without food, providing greater flexibility in your daily routine. Its higher bioavailability is a significant plus. To truly maximize your Gemini experience, always review and refine its responses for accuracy and relevance. If you have a complex task, try breaking it down into several smaller, more manageable prompts. This approach often yields more precise and helpful outcomes. Remember, providing constructive feedback helps Gemini learn and improve, making your future interactions even more valuable and tailored to your needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.